Good morning, class 11. Welcome back to the class. So we are in chapter number 5, complex numbers. We have discussed up to the polar form of a complex number. Today we will first solve certain questions based on whatever we have studied. Then we will move on to a completely new topic. Okay, so before we come to these quadratic, say we have quadratic equation. In class 10, you have studied that for any quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the quadratic formula, standard formula to solve x equal to minus b plus or minus root under b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. याद आ रहा है ये फॉर्मूला आप लोगों ने 10th में पढ़ा है, राइट? सो इन दिस we used to say कि d discriminant is b square minus 4ac, and if you can recall, we used to have three conditions. If discriminant is greater than 0, means positive, then the quadratic equation will have two real distinct roots, and if discriminant is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation will have two real and equal zeros, and if the discriminant is less than 0, that is negative, तो हम बोलते थे कि there are no real roots for the 0. उस क्वाड्रेटिक नो रियल रूट्स फॉर द गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, मतलब उस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के रूट्स रियल नहीं है. तो अगर रियल नहीं है तो वो कॉम्प्लेक्स है डेफिनेटली. सो वी विल सॉल्व सर्टेन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस वेयर वी डोंट हैव रियल रूट्स. सो वी विल फाइंड द कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट्स, ओके, यूजिंग द सेम फॉर्मूला. ओके, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन x square minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. So here a equal to coefficient of x square 1, b equal to coefficient of x is minus 2, and c equal to 2. The formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus root under b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. Substitute the values. Minus of minus 2 is 2 plus or minus root under b square, square of minus 2 is 4. Minus 4 into a into c, 4 into 1 into 2, 8, whole upon 2a. A is 1, 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus or minus under root. 4 minus 8 is minus 4 upon 2. ठीक है जी? Now 2 plus or minus. अब under root minus 4 can be written as under root 4 into under root minus 1. Agreed? अंडर रूट ऑफ माइनस 4 को हम अंडर रूट 4 इंटू अंडर रूट माइनस 1 लिख सकते हैं. अंडर रूट 4 इज हाउ मच? 2, एंड अंडर रूट माइनस 1 इज आयोटा अपॉन 2. इन द न्यूमरेटर कैन आई टेक 2 कॉमन? सो आई एम लेफ्ट विद 1 प्लस और माइनस आयोटा. सो फॉर दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, रूट्स ऑफ x square minus 2x plus 2 are 1 minus iota and 1 plus iota. Hope you got it. तो जो हमने 10th में छोड़ दिया था, discriminant is less than 0, तो क्या होगा? No real roots. तो real अगर roots real नहीं है, if the roots are not real, then what are they? They are complex, right? So whatever we left in grade 10, now in grade 11 we are concluding it in this particular chapter. Okay? Let's move on. I hope you got this question. Let's move on to the another question. Equation 2x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So a equal to 2, b equal to 4, and c equal to 3. Formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root under b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. Substitute the values. Minus b, so minus 4 plus or minus root under b square 4 square 16 minus 4 into a into c, 4 into 2, 8 into 3, 24 whole upon 2a, 2 into 2, 4. Minus 4 plus or minus root under 16 minus 24 is minus 8 upon 4. Minus 4 plus or minus. Now under root of minus 8. So under root minus 1 is iota, and under root 8. 8 is 4 into 2. तो 4 रूट के बाहर आ जाएगा 2. So under root 8 is 2 under root 2. or under root minus 1 is iota whole upon 4. In the numerator I take 2 common, so I am left with minus 2 plus or minus under root 2 iota whole upon 2, right? Split कर दो, minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1 plus or minus under root 2 upon 2 iota. These are the two zeros. So एक बार positive लेना है, एक बार minus. So the zeros of this quadratic polynomial are minus 1 plus under root 2 upon 2 iota and minus 1 minus under root 2 upon 2 iota. These are the two zeros. So this is how we find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial in which discriminant is less than 0. Means the roots will not be real, they will be complex. So for any quadratic equation, children, any quadratic equation, you will always have roots. Either the roots will be real or the roots will be complex, but roots होंगे, ठीक है? Okay. Now some questions, simple questions. We have to express them in the standard form. Okay. So I have 1 upon 4 minus 5 iota plus 2 plus 3 iota upon 1 plus iota. First thing, rationalize the denominator. And to rationalize the denominator, we have to multiply it by the conjugate. So first में multiply numerator and denominator by 4 plus iota. So 1 multiplied by 4 plus 5 iota, 4 plus 5 iota upon 4 minus 5 iota multiplied by 4 plus 5 iota plus. Now denominator is 1 plus iota. So numerator and denominator will be multiplied by the conjugate, that is 1 minus iota. 2 plus 3 iota into 1 minus iota. Multiply denominator 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota. Okay, now 4 plus 5 iota upon a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. A square is 16 minus b square is 5 iota ka square, 25 iota square plus. Now multiply 2 into 1 2. 2 into minus iota, minus 2 iota. 3 iota into 1, 3 iota. Plus into minus, minus 3 iota into iota, 3 iota square. Whole upon. A plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. 1 square is 1, minus iota square. Now, since under root minus 1 is iota, therefore iota square will be equal to minus 1. 4 plus 5 iota. This iota square becomes minus 1. Minus minus plus 16 plus 25, 41. Iota square is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 3 is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 2 iota plus 3 iota plus iota upon. Iota square is minus 1. Minus minus plus 1 plus 1, 2. Now can we take LCM? LCM is 82. 41 goes 2 times. 2 multiplied by 4 plus iota. 8 plus 10 iota. Now 2 goes 41 times. 41 multiplied by 5 plus iota. 41 into 5. 205. 41 into iota plus 41 iota. अब रियल पार्ट क्या है? 205 plus 8. 213 upon 82. Imaginary part 10 iota plus 41 iota. 51 iota upon 82. This is the standard form. What is standard form of any complex number? A plus iota b. Real part plus imaginary part multiplied by iota. So this is real part. This is imaginary part. 51 upon 82. B. 213 upon 82. A. Right? This is standard form. So this is how, whenever you are asked to bring a complex number into standard form, you have to follow this procedure. Let's move on to another question. Iota to the power 25. Sorry. Second question is 1 plus iota whole cube. So children, let's follow the identity a plus b whole cube. a cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square plus b cube, iota cube. Okay. Now 1 square is 1 into 3 is 3 multiplied by iota, 3 iota. Iota square is -1 into 1 into 3 is -3. Okay, iota cube go, can I write it as iota square into iota? Of course we can write it. What is iota square? -1 multiplied by iota is minus iota. So what is the real part? 1 and -3, we are left with -2. 3 iota minus iota is +2 iota. This is the standard form, a plus iota b. Right, children? Okay, next question. Iota to the power 25 plus 1 upon iota to the power 26 and whole square. Now children, for such questions where you have very high values in the exponent, in the power, एक सिंपल सा फिनोमिना फंडामेंटल याद रखना, iota is equal to under root -1, iota square equal to -1. So first positive value कब आएगी? When जब हम इसको दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर करते हैं. Iota to the power 4 is equal to 1. Squaring both sides. Iota to the power 4 is equal to 1. अगर हमें पॉजिटिव बनाना है, सब को उसी फॉर्म में ले आओ. So the power should be expressed as multiples of 4. Iota to the power 25. So 25 can be 24 plus 1, right? 24 is a multiple of 4. Okay. So iota power 25 is iota to the power 24 multiplied by iota. 1 upon iota to the power 26, iota power 24 into iota square. I hope you understood. ठीक है जी. Now iota to the power 24 पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. क्यों हो जाएगा? Iota to the power 4 whole to the power 6. Simple. Iota to the power 24 क्या होता है? Iota power 4 whole to the power 6. Why iota power 4? Because 4 is the least integral value for which iota to the power n becomes positive. So iota power 4 is 1. That's why I will try to bring everything in terms of positive 1. So this is 1, positive 1. 1 के power 6 is again 1. So this is 1 multiplied by iota plus 1 upon iota to the power 24 is again 1 multiplied by iota square. What is iota square? -1. 1 upon -1 is -1. So we have iota -1 whole square. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab, 2 into iota into 1. 2 iota plus b square. What is iota square? -1. -2 iota plus 1. -1 plus 1 cancel. Final answer क्या है? -2 iota. So the value of iota power 25 plus 1 upon iota to the power 26 whole square, the value is -2 iota. Right children? So this is how we bring. Now this is to be expressed in a standard form. We don't have any real part, only imaginary part is there. So if the question says कि write it in the standard form, you will write as 0 minus 2 iota. तो a क्या हो गया? 0. Real part is 0. So I hope you can solve the first 2 or 3 exercises of this chapter. Okay. Now after solving these questions, in case you find any doubt in any of the questions, feel free to ask your doubts.